Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back, like you see with me here, with another website. It's called WooCommerce, and this WooCommerce is a popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress websites. It is a flexible and customizable platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage online stores. So to get started with this website, you need to head on over to WooCommerce or WooCommerce.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer, and this is all the results I got after my search. We have here on Wikipedia, we have some similar websites like Hostinger, BDM, and WP Mermaids and Chelsea, and others websites here. Now we need the official site, that means first one. Let's click on it. WooCommerce open source e-commerce platform. Okay, let's click on it. So now we are in the homepage or the interface of the website. Like you see with me here, we have all the information that we need to know about the website. You need just to read them or watch the instructor videos about the websites. We will come back to this page later after I show you how to get started with the free trial. To do that, you need just to go over here and click on try it free, and not need a credit card required, and the support is available around the clock. Okay, let's click on try it free. For the free trial, we have 14 days and no credit card required. You can try this website for free for 14 days, and after that, if you like the website, you need just to choose a plan, and after that you need to pay it for continue use it this website. Now let's continue and check it out. We have this two plans here. We have the essential and the performance. For the essential, we have $40 per month, and we can try it 14 days for free. And for the performance, the same thing, but the difference is in the price. We have $70 per month, and the difference is also in the services that it presents to us, the difference between essential and performance. Okay, let's try with the essential one just to show you how to do that. Okay, let's click on try it free. This is some information that we need to enter to complete the free trial. And also you can change the language to French. So we have if we want to create accounts by this information here and email address, or we have other choices like continue with Google and the Apple. Okay, let's just continue with the first method. The email address over here, then the username, and then you need to choose a password. I have already an account on the website WooCommerce, so I will just continue like this is the first time for me on this website. To choose a password, you need just to write a password that you can remember, and then you will get started over here. Okay, I will log in to show you the different services that the WooCommerce is present to you. So this is my account on WooCommerce after I enter my password. I need to click on approve, because this will allow the WooCommerce.com to view our subscription information and view valuable extensions and serve updates to our WordPress sites. Okay, let's wait for a moment. Now let's complete, because I just create an account and not complete the following steps, the other steps. Okay, you can answer or just skip the steps and get started directly on the site. We have here, which one of these best describes you? You need just to answer the answer is independent to you and the purpose that you get in to the WooCommerce. Okay, let's just choose, I'm just starting my businesses. The second question, tell us a bit about your store. Okay, you can just answer here give the store name and select industry, accessories, and where is your business located? You can just choose the country that you want. Okay, just select one by chance and click on continue, and you can just skip the questions. It's not obligatory to answer. Try the WooCommerce for free with these services here. We have the start selling quickly, the grow our business, and the hassle-free store ownership. And we have here some ways to get started with Woo. Need custom solution for okay, you need just to read them and you will understand. It's just some information and sentences. Let's try the WooCommerce Express for free. And WordPress, the integration of WooCommerce is seamlessly integrates with WordPress, which is widely used content management system, the CMC, for building for building websites. It leverage the power and flexibility of WordPress to add e-commerce functionally to websites. And this is very important. You can find this on this WooCommerce. And also for the store setup and the customization, is the WooCommerce provides a user-friendly interface for setting up and customizing online stores, and users can configure product setting, manage inventory, set pricing and shipping options, and customize the appearance of their store using themes and sign option. So this is our account on the WooCommerce. We create the account successfully, and you can just start adding your services and your designs here, everything that you get this website for it. It's valuable now to use free with every freedom, and this is will be for 14 days, and after that you will just pay it for complete and continue using this website. This is the last for our video today. If you like us, please subscribe for more and follow to see other videos like this. And like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites.